Welcome to the Tonoit back office. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade, deposit funds and then upgrade however you so choose. Any product, any training. It's the same method, so I'm only going to do this once to make it quick, but you can either go here to your deposit wallet or use the quick links. Put in the amount that you want, either 150 for the 3-month, 500 for the year, and then you can hit deposit. So it's going to take you to coin payments. You can put in whatever name you want here, test, if you want it anonymous. The important part is the email address, select Bitcoin, and then hit complete checkout. So it'll take you to the checkout, which is just a QR code for the payment, or you copy and paste the address. So this is the amount here. You can copy and paste that. You can copy and paste this, or you can just take your phone, if your crypto is on your phone, and just pull out the wallet, scan the QR code, and it should put in the amount and the address as well. So I'm not going to follow through with this transaction just because I've gone ahead and, for the sake of saving time, picked up the product or made the deposit. So for this, we're going to grab the day trading, going with the 3-month. So day trading is including the private Telegram channel. You get the signals through there, so make sure to check that. Have your alerts on, and initial trades are doing 2 to 14%. So I'm all for it. Adding to my cart, and from here I just select my deposit wallet, so you can use your payout wallet too if you want, and hit make a payment, confirm it, and you are good to go. So from here I need to join the Telegram group. I've got it on my phone so I get alerts. So this starts on the 16th, so I'll join up. It'll be ready by the time you're watching this video, and let us know if you have any issues, questions, concerns. Hope this helps, and look forward to chatting with you or seeing you in the next video.